going to Vopnu City Ocean View Estate. We have two access routes to Vopnu City Ocean View Estate. The first one is through Eko Akete, and the second one is through ShopRite, the Monastery Road. Oh, great investors, I welcome you to Vopnu City Ocean View Estate. This is the second update I am bringing concerning this property, and the reason why I am bringing this update now is because of the good news that is happening in this axis, which is the coastal road that is coming from Ahmadu Bello Way, Victoria Island, that is passing in front of this estate, going down to Lekki Free Trade Zone, Dangote Refinery, and the deep sea port. You know, when a major road passes through a property, it gives that property a meaning. It makes that property to have a high return on investment. That is why I have taken this time to bring this update to you so that we take action. Because very soon you will hear that this property now is selling above 30 million. I remember February 2021, we started this property at 7 million naira. From 7 million naira to 8.5, from 8.5 to 9.5, 10.5, 11.5 to 14, from 14 million to 18 million, from 18 million to 22 million. Then, November last year, 2023, the property went to 30 million. So this is the information I am bringing to you so that you can take action now. Because of this coastal road that is going to pass in front of this estate. Take action now, and you'll be blessed, and you'll be glad that you did. So, the title of this property is Governor's Consent. And here, I will take you inside the estate so that you will see how the estate look like. Wow, look at it. A very beautiful place. The topography is beautiful. It's okay, dry land. Right? Just as I was saying, that we have two sizes of plots in this place. The 500 square meters that is selling for 30 million naira, and the 300 square meters that is selling for 18 million naira. With the initial deposit of 5 million, and you spread the balance for 6 months, it is going to be interest free. So your initial deposit of 5 million, spread the remaining balance to 6 months, and then finish your payment. I tell you, you'll be very glad to get this kind of property. And I would want you to add this property to your real estate portfolio. Imagine the front is the coastal road. The back is the beach front, facing the ocean. Where I am standing now is the setback It is the setback. And later, I will take you to the ocean as well. The neighborhood of this property are ShopRite, Shangoto de ShopRite, Nedovra Mall, Diamond Estate, Emperor Estate, Crown Estate, Corona School, the Green Spring School, and Ibeju GRA. And the features in this estate are good drainage system, perimeter fencing with gate house, 24 hours power supply, good road network, CCTV camera surveillance. They are the features in this estate with also green areas. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a place to subscribe from. I will take you to the side, the ocean side. Okay, look at it. This is the ocean side. You can see how nice this place is. So, do not waste any time. Do not waste time any longer. Call the number on the screen and I will help you to secure plots of land or acres of land in this place. Remember, you can build your dream house here. You can buy about 3 acres and use it for a resort. This is the beauty of Dubai. Imagine you build a resort here. The front of it, of this place, is the coastal road, and at the back is the ocean. I mean, customers will patronize you. You can also use it as a hotel. Yes, you can buy. Remember, in the next 2 years, this property will not be available again. And in the next 3 years, this property will not sell anything less than 100 million. Invest now. Call the number on the screen and I will help you secure plots of land here. My name remains Mr. Stephen, also known as Mr. Patmos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, share it to your friends so that they can see this opportunity. Thank you very much and God bless you.